Okay, here is a Carrier Gemini, I think, commercial package unit running. And this fan's not running for some reason. That one's also not running. Yeah, one system might be only one of the systems might be running on this unit. And I think the data sheet is right here. Yeah, it's right here. Not really sure the tonnage on it or the year. Actually wait, that's from 2005. But yeah, I don't know the tonnage on it. But yeah. Pretty quiet unit. And then over here, I think this Lennox unit right here is running. Yeah, it is. And the tonnage and year faded on it, so I don't know what exact year the tonnage on it is. But yeah, I am currently once again at the Outlet Mall complex in Williamsburg, Iowa. And I believe that Carrier and this one are probably the only ones running at this part of the place right now. But yeah, just so I get a quick video of these two units running. Anyways, thanks for watching.